How to show categories on shop page in WooCommerce 2022 tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. So I bring you back with yet another WordPress tutorial, and this is going to be a very easy tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can add your very own categories to your very own shop page in WordPress. So I'm just going to discuss what WordPress really is. I'm going to take you to the basics of it. I'm going to sign you up with it, and then I'm going to show you the basic overview of it, the interface of it, and then I'm going to show you how you can create your page. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can add different categories and subcategories in your page and just play around with the different features that WordPress provides us with. So it's going to be very simple and very easy. I want you to watch this video till the end and follow me throughout with all the instructions and steps. And by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to add a category to your page in WordPress. So let's get right into it without further ado. So what you're going to want to do is obviously you're going to go to WordPress and you're going to get signed up. So obviously you can sign up with your own email. I'm just going to use my temp mail for now. So what is WordPress? Basically, WordPress is the world's most popular website builder, and it's the most aheaded website when it comes to e-commerce, because like most of the business ventures that make their websites use WordPress. So what you're going to want to do is obviously we're going to want to go and click on get started. So once you go and click on get started, we're going to put in our email address. We're going to go to email, just your username, just add a random username. We're going to go ahead and put in our password. I'm going to click on create your account. From here on out, we can choose any domain we like. So for example, let's say you want to, this is just an example. So let's say you want to use a domain name this, and it gives you these different suggestions. Now, obviously a domain that ends with .com or .blog or .org, which looks much better, you can use those if you like. You can use these templates if you like, but obviously you're going to have to pay them for these templates. Now, obviously you don't want to pay them. So what you're going to do is you can either go and choose my domain later, or you can just select the free one and go ahead. Now, the free one isn't the most appealing, but that's what you get for free. So then it takes you to choose a plan where you can choose the personal plan, premium plan, business plan, e-commerce plan. You can choose any one from these four if you want to pay them. All of them have great features. Obviously, it gets better when the price goes up. And you can check that out if you want to. Or if you just want to dabble around and see the basic gist on the basic features and overviews of the website, then you can just go and click on start with a free website. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the setting up panel where it's going to ask you your preferences, and we're going to put in, like, here you see what are your goals, and you can just tell them your goals. It's going to set it up according to your goals. It's going to set your WordPress page. It's going to give you different features according to your goals if you want to, or you can just go ahead and skip to dashboard if you want to do that. Now, once we do that, what's going to happen is we're going to come to this page. And what is this page? This page is the basic home page for our WordPress website. And this is where all the magic is going to happen. Now, if you don't know how to use WordPress and the main overview of it, you can check the video I have uploaded on my channel where I have given the main overview of how you use this. Or you can just go right ahead and just follow me over here if you don't want to see the main overview. So once you've seen everything, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to follow all these steps. Now, obviously on the left over here, you can see this dashboard. We can see different features. Now, obviously think of this whole page as a blank canvas and think of these as your paint. So if that makes sense, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go and click on pages. Now, once you click on pages, you're going to go on add new page. Once you click on add new page, we're just going to wait for it to load up. It takes a second or two. So once it loads up, I'm going to take you through on how you're going to add a new page and what you're going to do after you add a new page. And when you come here, you can see all these different amazing templates that WordPress provides you with. You can use any one of these, or you can just start with a blank new page. I'm just, for the video purposes, I'm just going to go with a template they already provide us with. You can change the text if you like. For example, I'll just add enter right here. So we can just do that and mess around with the page if we want to, and then we're just going to publish it. And once we publish it, it's going to provide us a link, which is practically going to be our domain name. So if we copy this and if I paste it on a new tab right now, I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and look at that. This is how our page is going to look like basically. So once we've got that out of the way, then what we're going to need to do, we're going to go back to our dashboard. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to go on posts. Now, once we're on posts, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add our posts, and it's the same way you add our page. You just go and add new posts. You're going to put in whatever post you want to make. It's just like blogger.com, and then you're just going to publish it, and it's going to be displayed on your page that you made. So yeah, that's just basically how easy it is. Now, once all of that is done, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go on appearance, and once you're on appearance, we're just going to click on customize. Now, once we click on customize, what's going to happen is it's going to load our web page or domain that we just created. Now, over here, you can mess around with the appearance. You can take different themes or different edits that you want to make, or you can just get started and mess around with these menus you have over here. So this is again your basic overview of how you can mess around with the appearance of your website. Obviously, I'm going to show you how to add in categories, but you can also add different things. For example, if you want to go on site identity, you can put in the site title if you want to. You can change around the fonts. You can put in the logos. And if you go on menus, you can create different menus. And to create different menus, you can make different names if you'd like to, or you can just create a new menu from yourself if you want to. And then if you go on colors, you can choose different colors if you want to. So obviously, and you can also mess around with the CSS if you want to put in the HTML language. So after you've understood all of that, here you can see your theme support full site editing with blocks. So you can just go and click on site editor. And once you click on site editor, what that's going to do is it's going to take you to the beta version, because obviously that's all you really get in a free version. And when it loads up, this is where you can start adding your categories. Now, obviously, to add your categories, you're gonna choose wherever you want to add your categories, and from here on out, you can start editing it. You can click on this plus sign over here, and from here on out, you can add different features, and as categories, you can add them right under here. So let's click on this, for example. See, as I clicked on that, it's going to be added over here right under this, and that's basically how you add categories. Oh, look at that. It's added right under there, and you can change its size if you want to. Again, because it's your canvas, and you can make it however you want to. And you can also add different images or headings to it if you want to. And that is how easy it is to add or edit things, different features or categories in your WordPress website or page. And yeah, that's how basic and easy it is and simple it is. So if you have any more queries or issues related to the video, you can let me know down in the comments and I'll help you right away. And if you have any other demands, or if you want to see any other videos like this related to WordPress or WordPress pages or different features, you can let me know. I'll make those for you as well. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot, and share this video with your family or friends or anyone in need for WordPress videos because I'm their guy. And yeah, apart from that, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.